Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing, and welcome to our ceramic spray sealant, spray wax, spray coating challenge. Let's get to it. So in today's video, we're going to be testing 7 different ceramic spray sealants, waxes, coatings. They all come with kind of a different name. My preference, I like to call them all spray sealants because to me the term wax pertains to carnauba, which these have nothing to do with, and the term coating, well, these things are definitely not ceramic coatings. So the term sealant to me is the perfect description as to what these products are going to do. They're going to last anywhere from 6 to 12 months under semi-harsh conditions and provide excellent water beading, water sheeting, and otherwise water behavior. So you can also consider this kind of a cheap versus expensive review. We're also going to be testing ceramic spray sealants that are very popular on social media, such as Nexgen, Shine Armor, and The Last Coat. Now we've got 2 consumer-friendly options that can be found and purchased pretty much anywhere, and that's Turtle Wax Ceramic Spray Coating from their Hybrid Solutions line. What gets me is this stuff has been out for almost 2 years, but it still has the label new on it. And it's already been surpassed by other newer products. Also Griot Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax. And lastly, we've got 2 ceramic spray sealants that are geared more towards the professional and they're priced like it. Carpro Reload and Gyeon Cure. Now for the prep work on the vehicle, we did a complete strip wash, then we did a complete iron chemical decontamination, and then we did a fine grade clay bar treatment, and then finally I wiped it down with an IPA panel prep solution. So this paint is totally bare, totally clean, and ready to go. Now I'm going to be putting one different product on each different body panel. We're going to start with the hood, and then we're going to work our way around with the driver's side front door, the driver's side rear door, the driver's side rear quarter panel, and then the same on the other side. So we're going to start with the Nexgen on the hood because honestly the hood and all horizontal surfaces get hammered the most with rain and especially UV rays. So ceramic coatings, ceramic sealants, waxes, those protectants really take a lot of abuse. So we're going to test Nexgen on the hood because the claims that Nexgen makes of its durability, its longevity, and even its performance and water behavior are really up there. So we're going to give it the toughest test out of all 7 products on the hood. And I've got 7 clean and ready to go microfiber towels to make sure that we don't cross-contaminate any panels with any other products. Now enough talking, let's get sealing. So Nexgen comes in an 8-ounce bottle. You can pick it up full price for about 35 bucks. However, if you go to their site, they're always offering a major coupon to try it out. You can easily get it for 20 bucks, but I believe you still have to pay shipping. If you get it at the $20 price, not including the shipping, at an 8-ounce bottle, that works out to $2.50 per ounce. That's pretty hefty for an ounce of product. Now if you're wondering why I'm not doing the little bottle sliding down the hood test, it's because that is the dumbest and the worst possible thing you could do to your paint, especially after you've just put a layer of sealant or wax or coating or whatever you want to call it on your car. Why would you potentially scratch or mar your paint just to prove that the surface is smooth? Come on. I did decide to do the front fenders as well with Nexgen. I wanted to see how it really performs on vertical panels as well as horizontal panels, given all the hype. So I found Nexgen super easy to use. A little really does go a long way. Everything I've read and heard online about this stuff, the problems that people have had with it have all been because they've used too much. But as you can see, I only used 3 to 4 spritzes for just half the hood, and I had no problems with streaks or high spots. Now before we move on to the next panel, I just want to say that the Nexgen did apply very easily, but the little sprayer that it comes with is a piece of junk. As for Shine Armor, it's available between $18 and $21. It also comes in an 8-ounce bottle. So on average, that works out to the same as Nexgen at about $2.50 per ounce. shine armor applies super easy too. I did use a little bit more on the panel than I would on average with Nexgen, but still super easy application and buff down. And now we have Gyeon's Cure, coming in at anywhere from $35 to $36, again, depending on where you buy. And it comes in a 13.5 ounce or 400 milliliter bottle. But again, we're going to use US standard measurements here. Now, coming in at the cheapest that we could find it at $35, we divide that by the 13.5 ounces, and we have the most expensive product by ounce at $2.59 per ounce. Now for the last coat, it comes in around $35 to $38 depending on where you buy it, and it's generally bought as a 16-ounce bottle, so that works out to $2.19 per ounce. It's worth mentioning too that if you buy the last coat from their website, they often have 15–20% off coupons, so you very rarely would have to pay full price for this stuff. So for the last coat and for the next product we'll be testing, Turtle Wax ceramic spray coating, I decided to just wrap around to the trunk of the vehicle also, splitting the trunk in half. Now, Turtle Wax ceramic spray coating is definitely the cheapest of the bunch, coming in at about $15. And it comes in a 16-ounce bottle, so that works out to 94 cents per ounce. The Turtle Wax ceramic spray coating, and really all these products, they apply really easy and they buff down just as easy. And now for Carpro Reload. Generally, you're going to find it around $35. The bottle comes in at 16.9 ounces. Since it's a European company, it's listed as 500 milliliters. But going with US standard measurements, $35, 16.9 ounces, that works out to $2.07 per ounce. So Carpro Reload, and really Gyeon Cure also, is designed to be a protective coating or topper for Carpro's Sea Quartz coating line and also Gyeon's ceramic coating line respectively, although they can be used as a standalone sealant as we're testing them out today. Now, Griot's Garage ceramic 3-in-1 wax, you can generally pick it up between $20 and $22, and it comes in a 22-ounce bottle. That's around $1 per ounce. Okay, so we've got all 7 sealants applied. In my opinion, all of them went on really easy. The 2 standouts for me as far as slickness during the buffing process have to be the Nexgen and also the Shine Armor. So we'll see how long they last. The slickness is nice initially. Really, they all produced a lot of slickness. These 2 just happen to be standouts in that regard, but they all were very easy to work with. Each one had a different little scent. Now let's see if their longevity claims hold up. So initially I'm going to give them 24 hours, and then I'm going to do a little water behavior test on all 7 products. So I can't wait, and I know you can't wait either, to see how these sealants hold up over the next 6 months to a year. This car lives outside full time. It gets driven to and from work every day. I've been wanting to make this video for a few months now, but I've held off because I wanted to wait till a little cooler weather like the fall. It's currently the first week in November, so my purpose in delaying the video until now was to see how these sealants hold up over a harsh northeast winter. So we'll do a well-being test on these sealants incrementally every 3 months to see what's holding up, what's not holding up. We'll also see if some of these more expensive sealants are really worth the extra money. So thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed this content. If you found value in it, please don't hesitate to hit that like button right down below. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That way you won't miss any future auto detailing content and the updates to this series. So again, thanks everyone for tuning in. I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing, and we'll see you in the next video.